Do you want cleaner air in your home? Have you been having issues with allergies? Or are you finding more dirt in your home than usual? Well, it may be time to replace the filters in your air conditioner. AC filters are designed to catch dirt, dust, and other pollutants. Most ACs need their filters changed every 30 to 60 days. If you have pets or multiple people living in the home, you may need to change the filters more frequently. Some air filters last a little longer than others. Pleated filters tend to offer a higher level of filtration than fiberglass filters. This means that some homes can go up to 6 months without changing their AC filter. Filter changes are also the key to proper AC maintenance. To learn more, contact McWilliams & Son Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing at 936-465-9191.